Yeah, so I'm DAS Fleet Operations for the state of Connecticut. We buy and procure vehicles for over 90 different state agencies, and we lease them out to agencies so they don't need to have their own fleet operations. So we have about 3,600 vehicles across the state, plus state police vehicles, so a little over 5,000 total vehicles. Primarily light duty fleet, including all the police vehicles and stuff. Heaviest thing is about a 1 ton. We have wheelchair buses, a little over 150 wheelchair buses and those kind of things, but it's all primarily light duty vehicles, sedans and those kind of things. I mean, we have to provide vehicles for the specific need. We have police and security vehicles, so we need to make sure that those vehicles are upfitted correctly for the specific agencies and their needs. We do a lot of research and working with those agencies to make sure we procure the right vehicles for the job description. Procuring vehicles. I have vehicle orders that have been out for over a year, still waiting for vehicles to be replaced. So that is extended life cycles for vehicles, much longer than I would like them in my fleet. So our repair costs have gone up and those kind of things. And so procuring vehicles right now is about the most difficult challenge we have. So we use FleetWave as our main source for data collection, data entry. It is our go-to place if we need to know anything about our fleet, regardless of where the information originally sourced from. We attach documents to vehicles in FleetWave. We use it for odometer collections. We do maintenance collections, purchase orders for parts. We use it for everything because it has become our central data source for everything fleet related. The reporting capabilities, I am very easily able to run reports on my fleet, total cost of ownership, life cycle reports. I know at any given time where any one of my vehicles are in their maintenance schedule and their life cycle and their depreciation schedule. And it's very easy to find the data in FleetWave. Once the queries are built and the KPIs are on my dashboard, I can scan my dashboard in the morning and know where everything is, from my shop work orders to my vehicle mileage to everything.